I'm going to show you a tremendous feature on this BabyLock Ellagante2. I just turned the machine on. From yesterday I was making a little teapot or flower pot, and all I did is turn the machine on, and it's asking me if I want to go back to where I left off. If I hit OK, it's going to retrieve that pattern, see, that I had in there, and all I do is just slide my hoop back in, just drop my presser foot down, hit my start button, and if you'll notice, it will pick up on making that pattern exactly where it left off. And that's something that most machines don't do. So I could be doing a lot of sewing or doing some patterns and things at night, get tired, get ready to go to bed, just turn off the machine, get up the next morning, turn it back on, and you go back right where you left off. You don't lose a thing. And also another great thing about this machine, like I've got different colors on this pattern, that when I go from, it'll stop for me to change my colors. But when it stops and goes to the other colors, it cuts the connecting threads. I don't have to go back with my scissors and clip my threads, and that is a tremendous time saver because most machines don't do that. So it saves just a lot of time.
From Memphis Sewing Machine since 1971.